Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our General English class. How are you all? Hope all of you are done with the diary entry part I told you to do, right? Did you complete it? Along with that, let us revise about prepositions as there was a gap on Wednesday. So let us revise prepositions. I'll be letting you know all the answers and then we'll move ahead to lesson number 19, that is conjunctions. Okay, so what did we learn in prepositions, students? Preposition is a word or a group of words used before a noun to tell us more about the place, position, time, etc. And then we also learned that there are two types of prepositions: simple preposition and complex prepositions. Simple prepositions have only one word, whereas complex prepositions have more than one word in it. Complex prepositions are also called as compound prepositions. Then we also learnt about various types of prepositions. Do you remember? Various types of prepositions, among them two were the most important: preposition of place and preposition of time. We have repeating prepositions like in, on and at. They function as preposition of time as well as preposition of place. मतलब ये जो preposition है तीन, in, on and वो preposition of time की तरह भी act करते हैं और preposition of place की तरह भी act करते हैं. Examples also we have already read about, right? Then we completed exercise A of page number 108. उसमें prepositions को circle करना था, वो हमने कर लिया है. In previous video there are answers. If you have missed it out, go to the previous video and do watch it and complete it. Okay, now we will move ahead to the exercise B part. Exercise B I have already taught on Zoom. Everyone of you have written the answers also, but still there is a need of revision, so let me give the answers over in the video also. Okay, here you are supposed to fill suitable preposition in the blanks. I'm reading out the answers for you, students. The first one is, this train comes from Jalandhar. From is the answer. Then second one you have, please keep this torch on the table. On is the answer. Third one is, the beggar was standing at the corner of the street. At is the answer. Then you have fourth one as, the moon reflects the light of the sun. Off is the answer. Then fifth one is, India hosted the Commonwealth Games in 2010. In is the answer. Sixth one, please call me at 6 o'clock. At is your answer. Seventh one is, there will be a dance program after the meeting. AFTER, after is your answer. Eighth one is, yesterday South Africa won the match against Kenya. Against, AGAINST, against is your answer. Ninth one is, near. I'll meet you near the petrol pump at 4 o'clock. Near is the answer and at 4 o'clock is the answer. Then 10th one is, Suraj came to the party. To is the answer, with his parents. With is the answer. Okay, now here you need to understand, students, every time it's not like you are invited in the party, it's you are invited to the party, you are welcome to the party. Fine, so two will come. Now we'll move ahead to the 11th one on the next page. Mike ran across the road. ACROSS, across the road before I could stop him. And 12th one is, if you can't find your slippers, look under the bed. Under is the answer. And then you have, how far is Coimbatore from Mysuru? From is the answer. And then you have, a little rabbit came out of the magician's hat. Out of is your answer. Then the 15th one is, my tuition teacher arrived in spite of the rain. In spite of the rain is your answer. Okay, now we'll move ahead to exercise C. Fine, and solve it out. Then exercise C is all about choosing the correct preposition from the given bracket and writing it down in the blank. ठीक है, तो जो आपका ब्रैकेट है उसके अंदर आपको बहुत सारे 3-4 preposition दिए हुए हैं, उसमें से आपको एक लेना है करेक्ट वाला and you have to fill in the blank. Fine. On page number 109 of our general English textbook we have this exercise. Let us start with the answer part, students. You can go through, or if you have not written, you can write it along with me. It will be easy for you. Okay? So let us start. I am reading it out. Do not forget to underline the answer in the bracket. वहाँ पे अंडरलाइन करने के बाद में ही आप ब्लैंक में लिखोगे. ठीक है? So the first one is I don't agree with you. With is the answer. An old woman brought up the young boy after his parents died. Brought up मतलब वो बच्चे को बड़ा करना, जब उसके पेरेंट्स नहीं रहे, पेरेंट्स died and after that the old woman brought up मतलब उसको पाल पोस के बड़ा किया. ठीक है, so up is the answer. Nextly you have I have been waiting for the train for an hour. For is your answer. Then fourth one is the boy in the bus smiled at me. Smiled at. At is the answer. The fifth one is please fill in the form before entering the hall. In is the answer, students. The next one is Sudha had asked for 3 cups of tea. 4 is your answer. Then you have why were you arguing with the coach? With is your answer. Next one is Haider objected to Salim's remarks about his friends. Objected to. 2 is your answer. Then the ninth one is this set consists of of 3 tools. Okay. Then the 10th one is what are you searching for? 4 is the answer. Okay, students. So our exercise C is completed. Now we will move ahead to the next lesson, that is lesson number 19, conjunctions. Okay, so let us start with that. We already learned in standard 5th conjunctions. Do you remember, students? Conjunctions मतलब क्या होता है? Conjunctions का मतलब होता है the words which join other words or sentences. Conjunctions, that itself means it is joining of 2 words, group of words or even sentences. Okay, तो conjunctions का मतलब क्या होता है? Conjunctions का मतलब होता है कि वो words या group of words जो 2 words या दूसरे 2 sentences को join करता है. For example क्या लिखा हुआ है? गांधी and नेहरू. Okay, then you have strange but true. Salt or sugar. Sumi will sing the song if she likes it. And the last example given is Sumi sang the song because she liked it. Okay, तो ये सारे एग्जाम्पल्स में कंजक्शंस कौन से हैं जो इटैलिक्स में लिखे हैं. देखो गांधी एंड नेहरू, तो एंड इज द कंजक्शन. स्ट्रेंज बट ट्रू, बट इज द कंजक्शन. Then salt or sugar, or is the conjunction. Okay, then you have if is the conjunction and because is the conjunction. So what exactly is a conjunction, students? It joins 2 words or sentences or group of words together. अब नीचे देखो, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल्स लिखे हुए कंजक्शंस के. आई एम रीडिंग इट आउट फॉर यू so you can understand better. Okay, so what is said? The table below lists some conjunctions in English with examples. And is the conjunction. I want to meet Alex and Sarita, but Alex was at home but Sarita wasn't. Or Sarita or her cousin will help us with the project. Because no one likes Harish because he's very rude. If it rains, our trip will be cancelled. Unless we will not let Harish play with us unless he behaves well. When I was not at home when Jatin arrived. Although Anita is getting a garage built, although she doesn't have a car. Though Though this medicine is bitter, it's effective. As we returned home as the class was cancelled. Until Naresh stood there until the next bus arrived. Either or, either Surendra or his sister will distribute the sweets. Neither the king nor the minister knows how to solve the problem. Both both the doctor and his wife escaped unhurt. So students, these were the examples of conjunctions. Details we will be doing later on. For today your work is, I will send a PDF of adverbs chapter and that of prepositions. You need to complete your general English notebook fully. Okay, so PDF will be sent to you. You need to complete it fully and properly, and also complete the diary entry, right? Write the definitions as well as everything whatever is said to you. That's all for today. See you all tomorrow.